And top morning, guys. Thanks for joining. Appreciate the support. This is Yard as is Jamaica Yard Life, more power active one. You know the energy come down. I love and love alone, guys. Yeah, man. So blessed morning. And as I always say, let's see. It's that day. It's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, guys. Yeah, man. Don't mind me on the rugged look. You know me already. Always out and about. Yeah, man. So this morning for breakfast, we're keeping it simple, guys. Yeah, man. You know me, I'm a very picky eater, so yeah, man. We're gonna have 2 eggs and 1 francs. Yeah, man. Keeping it natural. The energy for today, guys. I'd say I had it planned. Yeah, man. I would love for you all to challenge yourself. Yeah, man. Lend a helping hand. Give an helping hand. Show a little love. Today is the day to start. Yeah, man. It's a blessing. So I leave that guy like hot. Oil is hot, guys. Really hot. Wait, we got this one. This one cleans over. Hey guys, let's put it this way. For me, naturally getting up in the morning, I love to soak up the country breeze, you know, guys. Yeah, man. So ever so often, I take the time out to do my morning walks, and I'll sit outside and watch and listen to birds. Yeah, man. I've learned now to take life more easier than ever before. Yeah, man. For me, I've learned to value my time. Yeah, man, welcome. Thanks for the support. I appreciate all y'all that pop by. But as I was saying, yeah, guys, I always try my best to appreciate what nature has to offer. In this life, you never know what can take place. You never know what can happen. Yeah, man, so appreciate the little that you have. So it will grow to be a lot bigger. Yeah, man. I love alone, guys. That is it. As we progress and as we progress, you know me already. I'm gonna share a lot. You know, I wanted to change something, guys. Let me see if I can do this. I'm gonna remove this. Remove this, guys. I'm gonna remove this. That's it. Hey guys, don't bash my face. Take too long with the salt in there, you know me already. And the pan of yes, guys, see if we can fry. Don't salt it, my boy. Don't salt it. Yeah, guys, I go more for the down to earth energy. Yeah, man. So love, love and love alone. So much love that love is asking you what's the matter. I try to avoid animosity to the fullest. So I'm at home, guys. The least chance I get, I am at home. If I'm not at home, I'm at work. I love my peace, guys. I love my peace here. Alright, this is the topic, guys. For those who know me from the ear back in the open window. Anyway, yeah, guys, I've been out and about and all over the place. Yeah, man. You know me already. I have to do the right thing. Yeah, man. And I see them folks where round and about and I take picture and I do them little camera. Yeah, yeah. You know it's something go, guys. We about love and love alone. Yeah, man. And you know me already. I know my way around the devices, guys. So, for the ones out there, I want to point this out. If you want to take a picture of I, man, you can just ask me, man. And if you want to do a video, you can just ask. Yeah, man. I have nothing to hide, nothing to shame about. Yeah, man. I love my country despite of the roughness around the edges. I love my family. I love my friends. I love the ones I know, the ones I don't know. That's just who I am. You cannot change my personality. Yeah, man. This is the way God made me, guys. A lot of love. So if you're about that energy, keep wide, stay far. Yeah, man. Seek God. There is a lot going on, guys. I have a few friends and family members that they have tied the knot. And as I was saying, for the guys, for y'all subscribers out there that know me from a taller time, from before now, y'all know me, I would have already posted some video clip or something to let y'all know that wedding is taking place. But you know the energy come down, guys. It's not everyone wants the camera around. So knowing that is not everyone approve of the camera. Well, not approve. It's not that they don't approve of the camera, guys. They just don't want them their, you know, little get together to go out there. Yeah, man. And you have to respect that. So what I did, guys, I took a few pictures and I had a few, you know, sent over to me. But from the other day, I haven't been feeling the energy. I don't know why. Normally I would edit up and, you know, show out already. But you know the energy comes down. Sometimes you're just not into it. And this is the point that I try to get across to some of my friends and family affiliates. Y'all know me for being very strong and, you know, despite of the ups and downs, I'm always pushing, progressing. Yeah, man. But I do feel pain too, guys. I do feel down, I feel out of it, but them moments are the moments that I push the hardest. And for the ones who don't know, I'm gonna let y'all in a bit. I am coming from a place where nothing, you know, little to nothing. But we're not gonna let that get the best out. Yeah, man. You have to try and try and try till trying is asking you what's the matter. Yeah, man. So this is Yardman J telling you all out there. A lot of things going on. Yeah, man. A lot of rough around the edges, but keep getting up, keep holding firm. You know, keep doing the right thing. And that's coming from someone that's telling you based off of the perspective of being here for 30 odd years now. Yeah, man. And despite of being here for that amount of time, we're still pressing. So if you're here for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years, keep pressing. You have a far way to go. Yeah, man. But you know, if something come down. Some are with blessings fast, some slow. Do not envy your brother. Do not envy your sister. Yeah, man. Live good, and good things will come along. Some way, somehow. Believe. So if you sow good seed, they're gonna, where they say, come grow to be something good. Yeah, man. So plant a good seed. Yeah, guys, and don't bash me because I'm all over the place with my explanation, guys. Yeah, man. I even went to the river. Yeah, man, you know, cause always out and about Jeremy from German auto repairs. Yeah, man. My cause guys that you always see me putting, well, always in my videos. He's the one that fix the spaceship. Yeah, man. So that's his talent. But anyway, we are out and about, guys, and we're doing a lot. We're cooking and going to the river, but I caught a few clips. Hopefully, push them across the yard so y'all can see the love and, you know, love alone. Yeah, man. But for those who follow me on TikTok, you know, the energy come down. Yeah, man. You always see the clips. You know, a little bit something something. Yeah, man. I know me early, guys. Keeping it natural this morning. As I say, a simple breakfast. I probably have 2 crackers with this, guys. You know. As I said, I'm a very, very picky eater, guys. So sometimes I'll have breakfast, sometimes I won't. I had this thing. Yeah, guys. From a couple of weeks now. About, let's see. It's about 2 weeks now, guys. Season up this airport for cooking. Boy, I tell you, man. No time at all. I have to out and about and, you know, make ends meet. But enough for the chit chatting, guys. I'm not sure down. So let me see. Crackers. Simple. And I know y'all country people out there are saying, hey bro, there is a tea. Well, no tea this morning. There are mints on the farm, guys. Well, mints in the garden. But I don't feel like making any tea. You know. Funniest thing about it. I have this much to say, guys. We're coming close to an end. Yeah, man. You know me already. Always keeping it positive. So I appreciate all y'all that pop by. Yeah, man, you know, it's something come down. I love alone, man. So much love that love is asking you what's the matter. And y'all would see me in this energy ever so often. Yeah, man. I know me already, guys. There's so much to be done, but you have moments where life is going at a certain pace fast, and you have a next time when things slow down. For me right now, it's not like what it was when I was in the countryside. It's a whole different ball game being here on the flat. Yeah, man. And for those who don't know, I'm in a state where I'm rebuilding from scratch. For those who know, y'all know where I'm coming from to where I'm going. Well, y'all wouldn't know where I'm going. Yeah, man. Only the Father. Yeah, man. I will give thanks and praise to the Most High that you all are up and active and, you know, buzzing. So, as I said from before, happy Tuesday. I do appreciate the support. Y'all keep getting up, getting about, getting out there and keep doing the right thing. Yeah, man. This is from a loving heart. Love and love alone, guys. And we out. This is the others. Is no preservative, no additive, all natural. Stick around, man. Might learn a thing or two. Happy Tuesday.